Hi, Carly. I think it's really hard for me to answer this question in 90 seconds, but I'm going to try my best. First, coding is a universal language that is practically used every single day. So, learning how to code is just like learning a new language that's communicated throughout the whole entire world, but often ignored by a lot of people. So, as a woman, as a young teenage girl, I think it's crucial for us to show others how capable we are in succeeding in the computer science field, which is mainly dominated by males. We can also show them how capable we are in inspire other people and how passionate we are. It's also very interesting that coding especially can help us in the future because it's very common for people to underestimate how hard coding is. But coding is very hard. And we might not succeed in one try in fixing a bug or whatever it is. So coding can teach us that in all professions in the future, that failure will become a part of the process. So as a person who loves to socialize, coding will be essential for me because first, it is a common language that I can learn to communicate with people from all over the world. Second, we need to show people that women are also very capable of succeeding in the computer science field. And third, that it will be essentially helpful to me and become a tool to help me in the future.